Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, now begin. Sign in with your assigned credentials and make sure your role allows edits. Once done, open the Archer Review app and create a new review session for the asset you prepared. Tap the checklist template to load tasks and confirm camera and file permissions so you can capture evidence. While you set up, name the session clearly and choose priority or due date. This helps sequencing. You're ready to move into detailed evaluation steps. Keep focus on evidence collection and concise notes. Now perform the detailed evaluation. Work through each checklist item in order. Required fields will guide you, so complete them before moving on. Capture clear photos and annotate directly in the app to highlight issues. This creates unambiguous evidence. Attach documents or logs where relevant, and assign ratings and risk links as you assess severity. Once those are set, add remediation actions with owners and due dates so accountability is clear. Make sure to save frequently. Autosave helps, but manual saves reduce risk of loss. Finish by reviewing the session summary and confirming each item's status. Complete, exception, or pending. Once satisfied, submit the review for approval or route it to the next owner, and export the report if stakeholders need a PDF or CSV. If something goes wrong, like failed uploads or missing fields, first refresh the app and re-authenticate. If the problem persists, reattach the file, reduce image size, and retry the submit. For persistent sync issues, capture screenshots and escalate to your platform admin with session ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.